Apartment living can be a gamble. You're never quite sure what you're getting until you move in. Make a sure bet instead and rent from West Porter Avenue Apartments. At West Porter Avenue Apartments, every unit is clean and in excellent condition, with clean carpets and new paint. Conveniently located near a host of schools, shopping, and cultural attractions, the units at West Porter Avenue Apartments provide a peaceful, quiet, and safe environment. Apartment living has never looked so good. Call to make an appointment today.